Though quarantine is dulling up our days, I have a baking soda and vinegar experiment to brighten up the mood. For the experiment, you will need basic at-home ingredients, including baking soda, white vinegar, or any type of vinegar, a jar, and a glove, or you can also use a balloon. Now, let's get to the science behind it all. So, vinegar is an acid, and baking soda is a base. Those are completely two different things. So, when we mix them together, it'll be an acid-base reaction. Now, what do you think will happen when we mix them together? In a reaction, you have reactants and products. The reactants that we're using are vinegar and baking soda. When we add them together and we mix it up, there are products. There's carbon dioxide and water. The carbon dioxide will be the gas that's released into the glove, which will fill it up. The first thing you'll do is fill a spoonful of baking soda into the glove. Once the glove has baking soda in it, we will pour vinegar into our jar and estimate a little bit. I'll show you when. About that much of vinegar. The last step is to put the rim of the jar with the end of the glove and just wrap it around so that all of it's covered, the opening is covered. Make sure to keep the glove held at the top of the jar so that it doesn't come off. And then you will lift the glove up so that the baking soda can fall into the vinegar and the reaction can start. An extra tip, if you don't want to hold the glove while you watch the reaction, you can always put a rubber band around the rim of the jar so that it holds itself. So the last step is to drop the baking soda into the vinegar and watch as it bubbles up. The product is carbon dioxide and it fills the glove up. As you can see, the glove is filled with carbon dioxide, a product of the two reactants mixing together. Even after all the fizzing, the glove is still filled with carbon dioxide. It's very tight to the touch and it's holding on to itself. You can try this with anyone in the house with you, and you can use different things, including a balloon as well. I hope you all enjoyed this experiment and it worked very well for you.